Hi everyone, my name is Ketki Ogle. I'm the co-founder and CEO of BHyve. Today, we're answering 30 questions about BHyve. These are the most common questions that we get from customers, from our users, from prospective clients. And so we thought, let's take this chance and address them once and for all. Let's get started. If I buy BHyve, will it train on my organization's data? Well, no. BHyve is built around your organization's knowledge, but we use a pre-trained model with zero-day retention policy. The architecture of the app is built such that the moment an answer is generated and the user refreshes, BHyve forgets both the question and the answer instantly. There is no data stored and therefore no data available for BHyve to train on. This ensures your employees get quick answers, reliable answers, and the information never leaves the control of your organization.